Nurse that terse. This is my buddy Corey, who felt sorry for me and knows I need a project, and he gave me a project. This is a broken J Terser acoustic, and so I'm putting glue in both sides here and getting it into all the nooks and crannies with my finger. And you want to have a wet cloth to be able to wash that off after, and to get squeezed out. So I'm clamping that directly to the table using this as a caul. You just need a piece of wood with that's round on one side, and you can see the squeeze out there that I'll be getting a little later. And a day later, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I could have just put a little filler in that crack and called it a day, but no, man. I'm gonna drill some 1/4-inch holes. I needed a guide for that one. It's round on the other side because it was right on the edge, and yeah, put in a couple dowels, 1/4-inch dowels in there. It wasn't enough though. I wanted a third one, a big one. That guy's going all the way to the fretboard, and that's not going to go anywhere. I'm cutting the ends of the dowels off with that bendy saw, and I made my own filler with glue and sawdust that I ground up. Doubly ground up like after, but just go to the store and buy filler, man. You're fine. So toothpicks everywhere. Those are the toothpicks with the ends cut off. It's sanded. It's looking good. And I taped the sides. I spray painted the top black. You can see buff pads over there. And stained it, but I stained it 3 times and gave it about 4 coats of clear and buffed it and put some Hagstrom tuners on it. Let me tell you this, guys. This thing does not go out of tune. I do apologize for the laptop microphone that I'm using there and for the sirens, but thanks for watching. And I'm sure there are more in-depth videos out there.